Shop Wednesday. I think I probably scared Eli. I didn't warn him I was going to do that. You say hi to everybody over there, Eli. I can't see if I'm pointing at you.
What's up, dudes?
Am I pointing at you?
I think so.
Bad camera work. Anyhow, all good here. We're plugging away. Look at this pair of spurs I'm working on. Ooh, they're fun. Got some cool stuff. Gonna have brand and little relief engraving in there and some gold. So next stage here, kind of shiny there, isn't it? Next stage here will be to engrave the silver. Got to put the button hinges on, all that business. But yeah, they cool. They fun. Anyhow, all's good. Had a good weekend last weekend in San Antonio at the Briscoe. Thank you, Briscoe Museum, for having me there and do some engraving, and a lot of fun. I had to spend about 2 hours at the pro desk at Lowe's because I broke a part on my regulator the day before, and it was all fun and exciting, but that made for a good trip. And we got it all done and talked to lots of little kiddos and lots of people. Had some old friends stop by and say hello. So that was awesome. Thanks, Ruth Bed, for coming and introducing yourself. And Trey was there, and it was all good. Hey, did y'all listen to the podcast yesterday? I had old Pop on there. What a cool thing to share my dad with the world. And most of y'all probably know him, but for y'all that don't, that's just a small snippet into my father and the entertainment factor that he brings and the expertise. And he's sharp as a tack, and a major reason I'm at where I'm at with my old bit and spur world, because you'll learn on the podcast if you listen to it. Monday mornings with Carrie and Willie. Find it on Spotify. What else we got going? Got Grandmaster's coming up. That's coming up in a couple weeks, so I'll be a couple weeks out of the shop, plugging away. Got to finish these spurs up before I go, so video's gonna be short. We're back at it. Oh well, what else is happening? Patreon's doing good. We're having trouble with Patreon this week, getting things uploaded, but we'll flood. For those of y'all that are on Patreon and wondering where the heck I am this week, we're gonna get it all up there. Patreon, they're slow on some of the videos, and I'm doing some videos of the engraving as I work on these spurs, kind of showing what's going on, and just kind of live feed of it's not a live feed, but it's a live action of engraving and going on with all that. So all is well. Spur Workshop in September is full. Do have a little waiting list for just in case some people back out, but it doesn't look like it's happening. So Spur Workshop is a green light, and I've already sent the email out and all kinds of cool stuff and all that business. So which y'all knew that. But anyhow, all is well, y'all. Hey, TCA deadline is next week for us TCA members. I got all my stuff done, but y'all need to put it on your calendars. October 6th and 7th. Put it on your calendars. Come to Oklahoma City. See us there at the National Cowboy Museum. It's going to be exciting times, and it's always a highlight of my year to go see what everybody's done and review what it is that I've done. So anyhow, all's well. We will see y'all next week, and thanks for the time. Adios.